friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. I just got a comment that somebody purchased the EK Tools Scoreboard and did not get the directions. So I'm trying to make sure that I'm filming them as best I can. I'm in the middle of another project, so I've moved all my lighting. Here's the envelope measurements and what I wrote on them to change them. Remember that the directions as they came to me weren't right. Maybe that's why they stopped making directions. But I'm hoping that I have 3 videos on envelopes. And then this is the other side about the other projects you can make with this. I have 3 videos on envelopes. And here are the directions to this product. So with this, you should be able to figure out how to use the EK Tools Scoreboard, even though the directions aren't quite right. Okay, remember you might need to slow your video or pause it. I'm going to show you the actual envelope table again, and we'll zoom it in. See if we can move this over for you. Okay, there you go. I hope that helps. Have a great day and good luck with your envelopes.